Hi all. Next piece that we're going to do is the introduction to Shape of You. We're going to do next few lessons. We're going to do some famous intros, and we're going to start with Shape of You. And so, if you want to take a screenshot of this one, and then we're going to break it down into 3 parts. We're going to start with this one here, and then we're going to add in a second note, and finally we're going to add in the left hand as well. So, just in case you're not sure. This is what Shape of You sounds like. So we're going to start with just the right hand simple melody, and we've got a C sharp in there and an E, mostly based around that. We're going to go C. So I'm not going to say the sharp. I'm just going to say C. So C E C. So we've got the bum bum bum, and that happens 3 times. Bum 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 bum. Now this all looks very complicated. Don't worry about this. We're going to break it down to be really simple. So C E C C E C C E C, and instead of playing C, we're going to play C sharp. And then at the very end, we've got the D sharp, C sharp, B, right at the end. So on the piano, it looks like this. And I reckon it's probably best to, in terms of fingering, to do it with 3 and 5. So C, E, C, C, E, C, C, E, C, D sharp. So just go bum, bum, bum. Try that first. So let's go C sharp, E, C sharp, bum, bum, bum. And you have to do it 3 times, but when you repeat it round, that after that second C sharp, you've got a sort of like a little skip. You see, because in order to start that again, you have to start it very quickly. So C, E, C, C, E, C, C, E, C, and then D sharp, C sharp, B. That's how we're going to do it. So 3 times of the... And then the 4th time, we're going to go D sharp, C sharp, B. So it looks like this. Try again. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Alright, so that's the first part. Now once you've mastered that, we're going to add in these bottom notes here. So G sharps and A's and then F sharps. And it's all going to be played with the thumb. So G sharp, A and F sharp we're looking for. So there's the G sharp, there's the A, and there's the F sharp. So what's going to happen is, for the first one, we could play a G sharp with it. So bum, 3 G sharps, and 1 for every one of these. So separately, it looks like this. So and the second one, we're going to move our thumb to A and play it again. So I would probably recommend practicing just doing these 2 together. Now, if you're really struggling with the coordination with the fingers, you could just try doing this for a minute. So you're just using your left hand just to help you out for a second. And then the A, C sharp, E one, the one with A, happens twice. So we get this. And with the whole hand. Again. And then finally, we've got a D sharp and an F. So we're going to do this. Actually, we're going to do it on the 4. So F sharp there, D sharp, C sharp, B. Got this. So on its own, it looks like this. So the whole pattern with that second note added looks like this. I'll do it separately first. Again. And with the hand together. Again. Now, when you're playing two notes at the same time in a hand, which we've never done before, sometimes, particularly if you've got these all three set up, it's quite tempting to play all three at the same time. Like that. So I'm playing all three at the same time. That will happen once in a while. It's really frustrating, but it's just while your fingers are getting used to working partly together, but also on their own as well. So because your hand is sort of used to just playing one thing at the same time, so we'll try and play all those three notes at the same time, which is why it might be useful to do this first. So one more time with the whole hand. So if you can get there, that's great. If you're struggling with having small hands, then maybe stick with the using the left hand finger too, just to help you out. But if you have mastered it in one hand, you can have a crack at doing the harder challenge, which is adding in this final note here. So this is all being played by the right hand, which we've just learnt. There's the C, E sharp, C. There's the G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, A, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Oh, there's an A missing there, sorry. And then we're going to add in these notes here. So C sharp, F sharp, A, then B. It looks like this in the left hand. C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, B. So C sharp, F sharp, A, B, and if we play it with the rhythm, it's so playing it each one of them 3 times in the same rhythm as the. So C sharp, F sharp, A, B. And once you've mastered that, the ultimate goal today is to get all 3 parts going like this. I shall do it really slowly just to show you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and. Now, one thing to look out for while you're doing this is that these two here, the right hand bits, these are exactly the same. C sharp, E, C sharp with an A in the bottom, still there. So the only change is the left hand here. So when your left hand's changing, your right hand will want to change, but you need to be really stubborn and keep it there. So one more time then, those parts broken down. First one is the one note version, which starts on C sharp. Again. And then we've got the 2 note version with the G sharp. I'll do it hands separately first. Again. And right hand only. time. And then the left hand for the complicated version was this. So everything together sounds like this. Super slow. 1, 2, 3, and. One, two, three, and. Notice how that sometimes I'm moving my hand up and down as well, which just helps me reach some of the sharps. Once you've done that, just the same as the original song, you can loop that round and around as many times as you'd like. Good luck, and I'll see you for the next instruction, next lesson.